Good morning to all the faculty members. Myself, Mimansha Gupta, and the other two members of our project group are Mayank Gupta and Kusum Yadav. And we would like to present our fourth year project that is based on the topic The Third Eye under the guidance of Upin Tiwari sir. Now moving on to the next slide, I would like to explain the objective of our project. We have developed an application based on Flutter for the smartphones, that is a gesture based user interface for visually impaired people and for blind people. As we all know that quarter of world's blind population is in India. We have seen that blind people are unable to use smartphones, and if we give smartphones to them, then also it would be very difficult for them to use it. That's why we have made an application for them. In case there is any emergency or if they are alone, they can call for help using that application. We have also add some additional features that I will explain it to you later. Now we will come to the next slide, that is flow of application. Here comes our home screen in which there are four options. Calling and messaging menu, which has calling menu, emergency and messaging menu. Next is location. It will tell us the exact location of the blind person. Next one is camera, which is basically based on object detection. Like if a person is walking and he wants to know what are the objects near him or her, then he just has to open camera. It will detect the object and speak that object name. And the last one is more menu, which has today's date, current time and battery percentage. Now I would like to explain how our application works. This is our application in which there are four options: more menu, call and messaging, location and camera. If I want to call a person or send a message to that person, I will swipe up.
Calling and messaging menu.
If I want to call a person, then I will swipe up again.
Calling menu.
There comes two options, dialer and contact list. I have to select a contact from the contact list. I will swipe up.
Contact list.
There comes three options. If we swipe up, it will repeat the name of the person whom we want to dial. If we swipe right, then it will ask the person name. And if we swipe down, it will call the person. I will say the person's name by swiping right. Mayank Gupta. Now by swiping down, it will call the person.
Calling Mayank Gupta.
Now I will swipe back.
Calling menu.
Again.
Calling and messaging menu.
I want to send a message.
Messaging menu.
If I want to speak up the message by sliding right. Hello. Now to select the contact, I will swipe down.
Select contact.
By swiping right, I will send ask the name for the person, Mayank Gupta, and by swiping down, it will send the message to the Mayank Gupta.
Message sent to Mayank Gupta.
I will swipe
Calling
back,
menu.
then again,
Calling and messaging menu.
and then again.
Home menu.
Now when we swipe right, it will tell us the location.
Location. Emergency location sent.
Now the location, by swiping right, the location has sent to the person. Now I will
Home
swipe
menu.
left, and I will show you the. Then when swiping down, it will give us the camera.
Camera.
See, this is laptop and this is keyboard. It will detect the objects which are near to us. Then by swiping left,
More
there
menu.
is a more menu which has calendar. By swiping up,
Today is Wednesday, 29 April, 2020.
and by swiping right, it will tell us the battery.
28% battery left.
And by swiping down, it will tell us the time.
Current time is 7:20 p.m.
And if we swipe back,
Home menu.
this is our, then it will come to the home menu. This is a research paper which we have submitted on SmartCom 2020. Thank you teachers for giving us this wonderful opportunity.